Good morning everyone, it is, what's the date? 27th of July, Friday. It's about 10:45 in the morning and just in a field of Elgar oilseed rape. Actually this morning we started harvesting at about 6 AM because the moisture is coming down so much that they're having to, well, I haven't been on it the previous days, but they've been having to stop kind of early just because the moisture's come down too low in the oilseed rate. So it wants to be somewhere between 6 and 9, so when it's getting down low 6s, you know, high 5s, then they're having to stop. So yeah, aim was to come in early and kind of retain a bit of moisture in the oil seeds, which is working so far. We started in the neighbouring field, which is a variety called Picto. It lodges a little bit more, and yeah, it just wasn't feeding in very nicely to the combine at that time in the morning. There was a bit of a dew in the morning, so that didn't help, but kind of started on that field and decided it was a no-go at that point. So we've left that one, gone to Bottom Diamonds, a field called Bottom Diamonds, which is Elgar. Touch wood, seems to be going alright. So yeah, just myself karting today. I've been doing some of the orchard pruning the previous days, and now we've kind of switched round. So the other kind of chap is Matt's doing the pruning, helping Paul with the pruning in the orchard, which there should have been a video on. So if you haven't seen that, then go and watch that. But yeah, I'm just helping with the oilseed rape today, so and for the next few days, weather dependent, because there is some rain on the way apparently, but there's been claims that there's been rain on the way and then it's just been dry as ever, so just wait and see what happens. But yeah, so the first load this morning came in at, I think it was 8.9, so, or yeah, 8.8, something like that, so that was ideal. Moisture's coming down. Second load was 8.4, so this is the third load now today, so we'll go and see what this is doing. But we've got to go all the way through the orchards, so kind of thought I'd put the camera on and just bring you along for a little bit. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's harvest or whatever you're up to is going well. For those of you in an office, hope you've got good aircon. I was actually in the orchard. Radio 1 was really had really bad signal. Mine had just been because I hadn't tuned the radio properly. But Radio 2 was working, so I was listening to that. And yesterday they were going on about the heat, and there was like this office guy who came in and started saying he was dressed all in black. They had no aircon, no windows open. Sounded like he was suffering a little bit. To be fair, when you're in a tractor, whack the aircon on, not too bad, it's pretty cool. So it's just when you get in the grain dry, when it's full blast going, then you start sweating rather a lot. But yeah, at the moment, not having to, again, touch wood, dry any of this stuff, because it's within that kind of 6 to 9% threshold. Sample wise, coming off fairly clean. There's a few cleavers in there, bit of the stalk and things like that. But just because it's so dry, it's hard to kind of thrash it out of the combine. So, but actually, to be fair, it's a bloody clean sample. So yeah, there we go. There's also, I don't know if you can pick it up in the video, but he was cutting the rate quite high. The headlands are topped with a, I think it's got a batwing mower. What's the, I can't remember what the like brand is. It'll come to me, Bamford maybe. Anyway, yeah, so the headlands are topped 3 times around, and then the rest of it's just incorporated in using a top down, ladder stab top down. It's a carrier, or not carrier, no, it's a top down, that's what I mean, but it's 3 meters, I don't know, there we go, but apparently does the trick, so yeah, we'll wait and see. Might be able to bring a bit of that on camera if I can go and film John, who also works here and kind of drives that. so he drives the sprayer, which I might get a chance to go on at some point and do a little bit of relief from the sprayer driving. But yeah, again, kind of all the way through these orchards here, which are all part of the farm, grown for Thatchers and Westerns, as previously mentioned, and take a fair amount of care and looking after. So yeah, the pruning's quite a steady job, so it's quite nice to mix it up every now and then, get back on the grain cart. I'm recording this on, as I said, the 27th of July, so today is the day of the game fair. So game fair is running Friday, Saturday, Sunday up at Ragley Hall. Don't know if anyone's got the chance to go to that. I went to it a couple of years ago when it was at Blenheim Palace, and that was really good. But obviously, the time of year doesn't generally mean you can't really get it off, so just the way it works. Managed to get to the 3 counties this year. So that's up at Malvern Showgrounds. That was really good. So all sorts of livestock, cattle, sheep, goats, even alpacas. There was quite a big tent for the alpacas actually. Might be something that I look into in future years. So I think there's quite a good opportunity there. But obviously livestock is ties you up a little bit. So. It's nice to get away from the farm every now and then, so yeah, we'll wait and see, but it's just an option. Might have a look at, but yeah, let me know if you've been to the game fair, because this video will come out after the game fair's kind of done. So let me know what it was like. If it pisses down with rain, maybe tomorrow or something, I might get a chance to go, but who knows? Like I say, I'm not holding any breath about the weather, so if it stays dry, we'll get a good amount of oilseed rainwater. So almost done here on the kind of main farm, but then we're going to go over to another bit of land about 10 miles away. I put up a video called On the Move, which you may or may not have seen. That was hauling winter barley back from there, but it takes quite a while, so I think it's about 28 minutes, 30 minutes, very exact, I know, but there we go. Also quite difficult to show you, but I got a pair of these overboot things on, so wearing shorts today, and they go over your work boots, which is ideal, so I'm constantly getting grain and grass seeds in them. So also got a pair of red back boots, got them just before I started here, because I wanted a pair that had actually like safety boots. Admittedly never had them before, but now I think it's a really good idea. Also like high-vis stuff, safety boots are pretty important. But what I'll do now is I'll just get the moisture, I'll leave you running. I'll see you in a minute. And we're back. 7.9 that was, which is ideal, but if it keeps coming down that quickly, then we might be in trouble by later. And apparently it's the hottest day of the year or something. When I looked at about 9:30, it was already 22 degrees Celsius, so yeah, pretty dry. Lovely. So yeah, now pushing out with the Manitou, which I'll probably do a video on later I'll put it on my head because yeah, you're not going to see it from in here. So yeah, bring the trailer down, bring the tailgate down as well. Very smart yard this. Some nice sheds. But running out of room, so I've got to push it up as best as I can. There we go. That's done. Off the hydraulics again, so don't open it accidentally. There we go. So yeah, oilseed rape harvest, and thanks for watching.